What if nothing is separate? Not the stars scattered across the sky, not the cells inside your skin, not even the thoughts passing through your mind. Every heartbeat, every photon, every breath of air you take is woven into the same invisible tapestry. Pull one thread, and the whole fabric trembles. We call it the universe, but maybe it's really one continuous story told through billions of temporary characters. Science once described the cosmos as a machine, a collection of parts obeying rigid laws. But with every discovery, those clean edges blur. Quantum physics shows that particles aren't solid points at all. They are waves, smears of probability that only appear definite when observed. Biology reveals that life isn't competition, it's cooperation written into DNA. Even your body is a collaboration of trillions of cells and trillions more microbes living in delicate balance. The deeper we look, the more connection we find, until the idea of separate things starts to look like a useful illusion. The carbon in your lungs was once part of an ancient forest, then part of a star. You inhale history and exhale the future. Yet the mind keeps whispering me and them. It sketches boundaries: skin, property, nation, belief. Useful boundaries, but imaginary ones. Physics disagrees with those walls. Entanglement shows that two particles once linked remain connected, no matter the distance between them. Measure one, and the other responds instantly, as if space itself is just the illusion of separation. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Today we call it evidence that reality behaves like a single field with local vibrations, a cosmic ocean pretending to be countless waves. Imagine space-time as a sheet of fabric. Every planet, every person, every particle presses down on it, curving and stretching the weave. Gravity isn't a force pulling bodies together, it's geometry itself bending. When you drop a stone, you're watching the fabric guide it home. Zoom out further, and galaxies twist into filaments, vast cosmic threads spanning billions of light years, braided like neurons in a mind too large to grasp. Zoom in, and you'll find another fabric inside you. A network of neurons, blood vessels, and quantum reactions in cells. Patterns repeat across scale, as above, so below, suggesting that connection is not the exception, but the blueprint. Life thrives through exchange. Trees inhale our waste and gift us breath. Oceans regulate temperature through unseen currents. The planet itself hums with electrical and biological feedback loops, an organism the ancient Greeks called Gaia. Even thought follows this rule. Ideas spread like mycelium beneath a forest, quiet, branching, alive. Culture, language, love, they are all forms of resonance. When minds align, their patterns synchronize for a moment, and meaning passes through the weave. Connection isn't a metaphor. It's the operating system of existence. If everything is connected, what is the self? A pattern. A standing wave in the wider sea. Your body replaces most of its atoms every few years. Your thoughts shift daily. Yet something continuous says, I. That I might be the pattern of connection itself, a whirlpool holding shape while every molecule within it changes. The boundaries between you and the world are more like gradients than walls. The warmth you feel from another's hand is energy transferring, atoms sharing dance partners. The truth is not that you are part of the universe, but that you are what the universe is doing right now, a temporary eddy in an infinite flow. Look at how reality communicates: light translating energy into color, sound turning vibration into meaning, gravity turning motion into structure. Every law of nature is a conversation. The cosmos speaks mathematics, but you hear it as beauty, in symmetry, rhythm, proportion, and harmony. Connection is the grammar of existence. When we act in alignment with it, when we collaborate, empathize, create, we echo that cosmic syntax. When we divide, isolate, or exploit, we tear at the weave that sustains us. Stand still for a moment. Feel the air sliding into your lungs, molecules that once moved through dinosaurs, through stars, through strangers you'll never meet. Every atom in you has belonged to countless others. Every breath you take knits you deeper into the whole. The fabric of reality isn't out there. It's here, passing through you, rewoven with every thought, every touch, every act of awareness. When you feel alone, remember, isolation is an optical illusion of consciousness. Underneath, the threads are still touching. You are a note in a symphony whose music never ends. A single thread that proves the fabric is real. So breathe gently, move kindly, and know you were never separate from anything.